Kia ora. Hi friends, I'm Safiq. Today I'm going to show you a website called Ninite. The spelling is Ninite. This is the website. The purpose of this website is to provide the free software to us just under one website. Suppose you want to install Mozilla Firefox, some media players like VLC, AIMP, or some unzip application like WinRAR, 7zip, and other applications like some FileZilla or Google Earth, some PDF application, some PDF reader, Dropbox, Dreamweaver. So what we have to do, if we want to install all this software, we have to go to Google, we have to search, or we have to go to the exact website to download all this software. But in this website, it's very handy. You will get almost all the free software here. You just have to take the software you wish to install in your system. Suppose I want to install Mozilla Firefox. I just check that one. I want VLC player. I want unzip application. I will go for WinRAR and just have to give a click to get your Nanite. So what Nanite will do, Nanite will make all the software in all the application that I wish to install in just one file, and you can see I've already downloaded many times, so you can see here. So Nanite already download one file. I'll just have to give a click on that file, and Nanite will start installing all the file in my system. Nanite will install one by one. You just have to follow the basic instruction for the installation, and you can see here downloading Firefox. Nanite will do all the downloading one by one, so you don't have to go to particular website for the software. You just have to go to the one's website, Nanite, and you'll get everything there. And the best part is all the software are up to date. You will get the latest version here, and the best part is this is a very good website and very handy. Here you can see like thousands of world famous big brands are using Nanite for the use. You can see Sony, NASA is one of the leading big IT infrastructure they're having. They're also using Nanite, so we can trust Nanite. It's very handy, very useful. I highly recommend you if you want to install free software. If you buy a new laptop, you format your system, you have to install software again. So go for Nanite. It's very handy and very useful. And please let me know what do you feel about this website, and if you think it's useful, let me know so that I'll try to make some more videos regarding this kind of free stuff which is available in the internet and which can help us in our daily life. Thank you for watching my video.